I'm Matt and we're looking at a downspout today. See the paint peeling on there? So these downspouts have a seam on the back, and the seam can split open. Here in Michigan, I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a seam on the back and it's split open. And the water is coming out the back and destroying the brick on this house. Not only can it make the paint peel, but over many years it's also causing the brick to spall off. Moisture gets in it, we get freeze and thaw cycles here, and it splits off like that, called spalling by many of us. Oh, there's a caterpillar. But that's what happens, and I've seen the water penetrate all the way through the building, inside the house, and right out the rim joist. Rim joist probably right about here in this house. So that's what's going on right there. It would be nice if they put those seams on the front, but you know, it looks slightly nicer with a seam on the back. No one would ever notice that seam, but if you ask the customer, should you want the seam out or the seam in, they're always going to say in. so that's what's going on here, folks. Real common. This is one of the more damaged ones I've seen. Then it goes into the cast iron pipe, and then these old houses that connected into the sanitary. They don't do it that way anymore. Now they separate it, but that is it. Thanks for watching.